Whether you're facing this due to an iCloud lock, server issues, or network problems, we'll explore the most effective solutions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly 4 ways to bypass the unable to activate screen using MagFone Activation Unlocker. Let's dive in. Method 1. Use WLAN to activation iPhone. Tap Other Options, click Use WLAN. After you connected the Wi-Fi, tap Continue button. Click Unlock with Passcode. Tap Use Device Passcode, enter in the iPhone passcode, and you will find that you are able to activate iPhone now. Method 2. Check Apple's system status. Go to Apple's system status page. If the iOS device activation service shows a yellow or red icon, Apple's servers are down. Wait until the issue is resolved. Method 3. Contact Apple support. In addition to the above 2 methods, you can also contact Apple support to solve unable to activate iPhone issue. Be prepared to provide proof of purchase for assistance. Method 4. Use MagFone Activation Unlocker. If your iPhone is activation locked or shows the unable to activate error, MagFone Activation Unlocker is a powerful tool designed to bypass these issues effectively. Open your web browser and go to the official MagFone website. Download the latest version of MagFone Activation Unlocker. After downloading and installing, launch MagFone Activation Unlocker on your computer, then select Remove iCloud Activation Lock on the main interface. Connect your iPhone with computer, view supported devices and disclaimer carefully before clicking on the Start button. After clicking the Start button, MagFone iPhone Unlocker will put your iPhone in recovery mode automatically. And then you need to put your iPhone in DFU mode as the MagFone screen shows. After you successfully put your iPhone in DFU mode, MagFone will start jailbreak your iPhone. After that, click on Start Remove button. MagFone Activation Unlocker will put your iPhone in recovery mode again, and you need to put your iPhone in DFU mode again. MagFone will start to bypass unable to activate iPhone. Few minutes later, you will find that you already removed iCloud lock successfully.